Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. I hope you woke up very early today and alive and kicking. I hope you all are just wow. So welcome to today's video. So many people are asking me I should show them on how to operate a smart TV. Yes. So if you're that person, this video is good. Is for you, right? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install apps or to download anything in your smart TV. First of all, there you can see that is all the display of the TV. Yes. So then this is a game was downloaded by one of my nephews. So yeah, so let me show you how to download anything in your smart TV. You go to apps. First of all, let me remove it for you. So you can see there what is written, that one there, apps. You can see it clearly, right? Then you put your mouse, you take your mouse there, it will show you everything there. It will show you wish list, browse, Shotex, anything, it will show you all that. So what we are going to do is to come to Play Store. It's just like a phone. Come to Play Store, click on your Play Store. Then what do you want to download? A game, an app, anything, name it. What do you want to download? Music, you download your music downloader, you download that app. Anything that you want to download is okay to go with this. Then for me, I come to this. You want to type something so that you can download. Yes, then you type anything that you want. Cooler. Type anything that you want. Let's say maybe you want to download Facebook. Yeah, you come there, Facebook. Just type Facebook and it will come. Facebook. Facebook. Yes, good. Facebook. It will actually come. Facebook right there. And then we go ahead and download it, right? Use your mouse. I'm using a remote. This remote can help you control everything. It's just like using a smartphone, right? So you go there where there is an arrow of search. You go and search. You can see there browser TV web. You can see. Unfortunately, it has showed that we have to use a browser TV web so that we can download. You see the goodness of it. It can show you anything that you want. It can show you how to download anything. So let's come to the gaming sites. So you can see the game is there. You click on that game and then we come at install there. You see it will install. Connect a gamepad, continue. It is pending. That means it's downloading. As simple as that. Yes, you can see there. You see there? It's downloading. Yes. Andika 1, 2. It's done. It's now installing. Verifying by Play Protect. The Play Protect is actually trying to verify whether it's okay for that game to be installed in a phone. That means it's now installed. Yeah. So let's get to the phone, to the page of the TV. Let's go to the apps. You see the game is here. It's here. Turbo Racing 3D. It's there. Now loading, ready to play. Any app that you want to download, it will actually download. You can see it's now ready. It's now ready to be played. As just very simple as that. So even TikTok, I downloaded it. TikTok TV, even this one of WWE, I downloaded it, but unfortunately now it's not working. So the only thing that now I need to subscribe is Netflix. Yes, but in anything that you want, this is very simple and easy to use. Either you can use also the App Store to download everything. Recommend, classify my apps. Still, they still works as the Play Store. You see everything. It will give you the games for babies. Then you just go ahead and pick the game that you want. Even CNN, the news, Voice of Africa, it will show you smart home, anything. All those are the apps that they recommend you to download, and if you don't like them, you download also the one that you want. So as simple as that, you are good to go to download any app that you want. So that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for being around my channel, watching my videos. May God bless you. I wish you a merry Christmas in advance. You know, it is just in few minutes. Like me, I count it in minutes, because by just next week will be on Christmas. Yeah, so I wish you all the best on your Christmas day, and kindly don't forget to support your girl by watching the videos till the end, subscribing and sharing the videos, but especially liking the videos, so that YouTube can recommend also my videos to the bigger audience outside there who need to know how to use smart TV. So thank you so much. That's all for now. See you on the next one. Bye.